Hello guys, welcome back in this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your website using Firebase for free. Here you can see this is my website, news website. So to do this, you have to actually go for the browser and go for Firebase. Click here first link Firebase. You can see, and you will come to this page. And here you have to select Get Started in Console. So select it. And here you will find Get Started and try out a sample app. So we'll actually click here Get Started. And now you have to give a project name. Let's say I will say short. And this is the project name. Now I will actually select it. Otherwise I cannot actually click here. So I have to select it and then continue. After that, continue. And here owner checked. So just click for continue. And now select the analytics location. So let's select United States for just testing purpose. So select I accept the Google Analytics terms and now select check create project. So you can see we have option here now continue because our project is ready. So click here continue. So guys, we are here in this page. You can see test new site, and now here you will find an option called add app, right? Here you can see. So click here add app, and here if you go for the third option, here you can see the first option is iOS for the Apple, and then Android, and then web. So we will actually select web, okay? And now we will actually check it. Also set up Firebase hosting. We have to actually give her a name, right? App name. So we'll say test news site app. And here we say register app. Okay, register app. Here we go. Now, if you're already using npm module, okay, so you can run the following command: install the latest SDT. So let's copy this and open CMD from your Windows. So type CMD, and here you can see, just open it and paste the command here and hit enter. And here we go. Here you can see RX86 package done. Now let's say if it's not work, so just go for this option, use the skip tab. Here you can see, and after that you actually copy this. So you may actually copy this by drag all the line, okay, and just copy all of them and go to your project directory, and this is the project. Open it, let's say in a notepad, and just go at the bottom of your project, I mean at the bottom of the body. Here you can see, and just paste it inside the body, okay, inside the body tag, but at the bottom of the body, okay. So paste it, save it, and let's go for the next. Now to host your site with Firebase hosting, you need to focus. So we have to actually use this command in our CLI, I mean command line interface. So you have to go for the CMD, okay. Go to the CMD and paste it and hit enter. Here you can see it's done successful. Now let's go and select next. Now you can deploy now. To deploy now, open a terminal window, then navigate to your or create a root directory for your web app. So let's just copy it and go for the project directory. Not I mean, here you can see this is not the project directory, right? This is just a normal CMD, and you just have to actually open CMD. But now you have to go to the project directory. So our project directory is this site. Here you can see new site, and here we have to open command line interface here, CMD. In the address bar you have to paste, and then you have to type CMD, hit enter. So here you can see now we are in our project directory, right? Okay. So here we have to actually paste the command. So right click on it. So it will be paste. Now hit enter. Now enable. Okay, so we'll say yes. Ready? Y for yes. Y for yes. Okay, so CLS login successfully done. Now let's go back to the previous step, and here we can see initialize your project. So run the command in your app's root directory. So we are already in the root directory here, you can see, and here we are going to right click on it okay, to paste it. And now hit enter. And are you ready to proceed? Okay, we say yes. So why? And now you have to press arrow key from the keyboard to go down and go up. So to go down, you have to press down key, down arrow key. Okay. To go up, you have to press up arrow key. So just go for this option, and there is now we'll select here hosting, this option. Okay. Hosting, setup deployments for static account. So just click, say, we have to give a space to select this. Okay. Don't press enter. If you want to select this, you have to press space and you will get asterisk at next. Now press enter. And do you want to use your public? Okay. You will say public. Okay. Sorry. EUBLIC, public. Hit enter. Now we'll say Y. And here you go. Firebase initialization complete. And we have complete this also, right? Now just copy this one. Firebase deploy. Press right click on it. So that it paste it here. This command. Now hit enter. Being deployed, okay, fine. Now this is the hosting URL. Here you can see. And where is the domain? So let's just copy the hosting URL at first. So just select all of them. Okay. https://test new site, because this is the domain name. Then .web.app and hit enter to copy this and go to the project, browser, and paste it and hit enter to go there. Open hosting documentation. So we don't have to do here anything. We just have to click here, go to console. Okay. Just click here, go to console. And here you go. This is the domain. Here you can see test new site. So just click here. Now here you can see deployed. So status is deployed. It means we have to click here. And here it is. So this is the domain. Here you can see